Got the 197 shot Sienna 1-1. We're tearing off all the cardboard. I had to add more fuse to it so that we have time to run away. This is gonna be a once in a lifetime show in a box. 197 shot 1-1 to end the show. Light her up, Jay. And here she goes. Stand up for this. What am I doing sitting down? Yeah! Let's go. Yeah! Oh man. Oh man, that was so bright. Ooh, the salutes are hitting. Oh. Look at that green. Yeah! Make sure to subscribe for more fireworks videos because we're going to do this again in the future. That was awesome. You ready for this? Mm-hmm. Yeah! Wow. Oh, man. Oh, man. Here's Sienna, the aftermath. Oh, my God, guys. That in person